सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जलजीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप।
Arnab Goswami on the debate.
At 8 p.m. tonight, political face-off over the ED raids. A scam allegedly worth thousands of crores or political vendetta. Big fight, BJP versus AAP. At 8:30 p.m. tonight, what does Prashant Bhushan or Saida Hamid know about Assam and infiltrators? Who are these people who call themselves representatives of the people to only try and help infiltrators, Muslim infiltrators in Assam? And at 9 p.m. tonight, we're completely ready. Bring it on, Trump. Bring it on, Trump, we are saying. 50% tariffs kick in tomorrow. We couldn't be better prepared. We're starting with a political face-off tonight, which follows the Enforcement Directorate getting active again and searching 13 locations linked to AAP leader Saurabh Bharadwaj in a money laundering investigation. They are saying there's corruption in 5,590 crore rupees worth hospital projects sanctioned by the former Delhi government when he was a minister. Ladies and gentlemen, there were multiple raids this morning, and it's a huge fight here in the national capital.
ED officers reaching the residence of Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bharadwaj. They are now investigating a massive rupees 5,590 crore hospital construction scam.
We are here outside AAP leader Saurabh Bharadwaj residence, and this morning ED officials have conducted a search at 13 locations including his official residence in relation to the allegations of money laundering, which is related to the hospital project.
At least 13 locations related to former Health Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj were searched across the national capital.
आम आदमी पार्टी के पूर्व स्वास्थ्य मंत्री, दिल्ली के अध्यक्ष उनके सौरभ भारद्वाज, आज उनके यहाँ जांच एजेंसी ने छापा मारा है। तो छापा भी वही जो चोरी, जो भ्रष्टाचार उन्होंने अस्पताल बनाने में किया, दवाई और उपकरण खरीदने में किया, जिसकी शिकायत भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार करती आ रही थी। और हमारा ये मानना है कि सौरभ भारद्वाज हो, अरविंद केजरीवाल हो, मनीष सिसोदिया हो या सत्येंद्र जैन हो, ये सब वो भ्रष्टाचारी हैं जिन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार की गंगा में खूब गोते लगाए हैं।
But the Aam Aadmi Party won't change its script. They call it vendetta.
ध्यान भटकाने के लिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी की डिग्री के मसले से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए सौरभ भारद्वाज जी के घर पर रेड की जा रही है ईडी की। और मजाक है, बच्चा भी हंसेगा इस बात को सुन के कि सौरभ भारद्वाज के घर जिस केस में रेड हो रही है वो उसके मंत्री बनने से पहले का केस बताया जा रहा है।
सौरभ भारद्वाज पे जो मामला बनाया गया है वो पूरी तरीके से निराधार, झूठा और बेबुनियाद। आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं पे लगातार झूठे केस बना बना के उनको जेल में डालना भारतीय जनता पार्टी, मोदी सरकार की एक नीति बन गई है।
Saurabh Bharadwaj's colleague in Aam Aadmi Party, former Health Minister Satyendra Jain, is also under the scanner. He has already been jailed in the past in another scam. The ED is investigating the possible systematic manipulation of project budgets, misuse of public funds, and collusion with private contractors. Will Team Kejriwal cooperate?
Okay, it's a straight face-off here tonight between Sanju Verma and Priyanka Kakkar. Rules for this conversation today. We won't speak over each other. We'll be absolutely disciplined. We'll maintain the rules. We'll have no personal attacks on each other. Both the participants will stay with me till the end of the program, and neither of them will walk out. So, having said that, Priyanka Kakkar, see, let's get this persecution vendetta thing out of the way and come to the basics, because then we'll waste the entire time we have on, vendetta. Let's go to the real issues. None of the 24 hospital projects worth 5,590 crore which was sanctioned are fully completed even today. 1,125 crore ICU hospital project promised 6,800 new ICU beds. Huge spending happened, not even half is complete. So, the nation wants to know where the money went. Must have gone somewhere, if not into the beds or the hospitals, into someone's pocket perhaps. So if there's going to be an investigation, what's wrong? Saurabh has not been arrested. He's only been followed up because he's the man in charge. Surely he should tell us where the money went, and you can't support him blindly just because he's from your party. You're from Delhi, you'll also suffer. Where did the money go?
Arnabji, there are few things that I must first correct. This is a vexatious exercise. I am getting a bit of echo. Please, if this can be corrected.
Yes, please correct it. Thank you. Please continue, ma'am.
So this is a vexatious exercise where multiple agencies are investigating the same cause over multiple people repeatedly. Please understand this. Now, you are saying that Saurabh Bharadwaj as a minister sanctioned certain projects. You very well know only a minister can sanction projects. The period that they claim these projects were sanctioned are 2016, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21. But Saurabh Bharadwaj became the health minister in 2023. Now, for that period already, multiple agencies are hounding Satyendra Jain ji. He's been incarcerated for over 3 years and already 3 closure reports have been filed. This also will not stay. Now coming to your basic question, what happened to these hospitals? Now first let's acknowledge कि भाजपा झूठ बोल रही थी कि हमने hospital नहीं बनाए. There are 31 hospitals in total. The CAG report which they tabled also claims that 11 are near completion. Rather than this hounding of Aam Aadmi Party, perhaps they should say that ये जनता को समर्पित अपने नाम से कर दे, मोदी जी के नाम से कर दे. इनके जो आरोप हैं उतने ही असली हैं जितनी मोदी जी की इंटायर पॉलिटिकल साइंस की डिग्री. Now all I'm saying is how much, we are one government who has continuously worked on issues like healthcare and education, although they tried to defame us. Their problem with us was that we actually gave a model. For example, the Mohalla clinics, which they now call the Arogya Mandirs, and जहां पे अब दवाइयां और टेस्ट नहीं हो रहे जैसे हमारे टाइम में हो रहे थे. एम्स तक में पानी भर जा रहा है आज, जो हमारे टाइम में नहीं हो रहा था. So we worked on that primary model and we gave these hospitals also. In these hospitals, you just have to do a basic Google simple check and you will see the hospital in Burari was completed, for example, in 2021, and you will find other hospitals too. Now what I am telling you, see, I am learning of the charges through you, but even then I know the facts and I can tell you the complainant in this case will be another Bhajpai who has previously filed a frivolous case against us, which has been closed. I assure you that.
Okay, now 31 minus 11 is 20. You said 11 are complete out of 31. That is less than 30%. What happened to the rest?
No, I didn't say that, Arnabji. Arnabji, I didn't say that. See, if we are talking about deliverables, you may question us. Like you may question Modi ji about the smart city, like you may question Modi ji about the bullet train, like you may question Modi ji about electoral bonds also perhaps. That is a different issue.
Now, I need to comment.
Where is the scam? They just want to manage optics and headlines.
I would like to tell you this. I would like to tell you this.
The same cause.
Okay, so I would just like to say this to you.
I need to come in.
Before you come in, I just want to come in for a moment. The entire edifice of the Aam Aadmi Party was built around the faith of India against corruption on allegations of the CAG at that point of time, not too long back, 13 to 14 years back. They said, India against corruption, and Kejriwal said, whatever is in CAG is the last word. Whether it is on 2G, whether it is on any other scam. Now, the same CAG is pointing out flaws here right now. There are delays and extra spending has happened.
No, not the CAG, Arnab.
this is not done.
There are
I have
lapses.
been-
There are
Let's
lapses.
not confuse
There are
it.
lapses under your watch. Now, my point is.
No.
There are lapses. Yes.
No.
See. I'll just tell you one thing. Just one point. So she
Let me
doesn't.
speak.
No. So Priyanka, you don't get away by
Okay,
just
go ahead,
saying
go
no.
ahead.
See, I'll tell you. Listen here. 10,250 crores were needed to complete the construction of 24 hospitals and additional blocks in existing ones over 3 years. This is for public welfare. Another 8,000 crores were needed every year to run these facilities. Now, the budgetary allocation for capital works in 2024-25 fiscal was 372 crores. At this rate of allocation, completing the construction of 24 pending hospitals will be difficult in another decade. Obviously, you got something wrong. You spent the money, but it does not show in terms of deliverables. Now, I'm saying, should you not welcome a transparent investigation? See, during COVID, we know what happened in Delhi. There was oxygen shortage, bed crisis, ICU gaps. If 6,000 crore odd was sanctioned before the pandemic, why were these hospitals not ready when people needed them? What was the need for the cost escalation?
The BJP's allegation.
The cost escalation goes to the
You told me
contractors.
this is a face-off.
Okay, one minute.
told me this is a
Okay, one minute. The first 5 minutes have gone
said this is
entirely
a
to
face-off.
Priyanka. Sanju, make your point. Priyanka, please listen. Face off. The counter question before the face-off starts. To you, you have not had a very good record of late, you as in the government. When, if not clean chits, closures have happened in the Satyendra Jain case. How good do you look? The AAP says that you're filing a case right now to put pressure. There will be a closure tomorrow. If there was such a strong case, why was there a closure and a significant case against Satyendra Jain recently? And should that not be used as a precedent? Sanju.
Thank you, Arnab. And Arnab, who can dare to walk out when you're the anchor? But on a more serious note, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson spoke for a full 3.5 minutes, and I extended the courtesy of not heckling her. I'm sure she will do the needful as well. First and foremost, let's get one thing very clear. The Enforcement Directorate was set up way back in 1956 as a statutory body, and today, with reference to 2003, since then, it has actually gotten powers akin to a civil court. So Enforcement Directorate is a body that has powers akin to a civil court, and each time you say the Enforcement Directorate is a handmaiden of the Modi government, you are undermining the credibility of a statutory institution. The second point I would like to make is, be it Sanjay Singh, be it Manish Sisodia, be it Atishi, they've been saying, Modi Sarkar ne isliye ED ke chhape marwaye because they are scared of Kejriwal. Scared of Kejriwal? Are you kidding me? Kejriwal was defeated by Parvesh Sahib Singh Verma. Kejriwal could not retain his own seat. Scared of Manish Sisodia? Manish Sisodia lost his seat. Scared of Saurabh Bhardwaj? He could not retain his Greater Kailash seat. So why should Modi Sarkar be scared of a bunch of losers? The third point, how is it that when the Aam Aadmi Party or not in Punjab, the Bhagwant Singh Mann government, when it arrested Sukhpal Singh Khera of the Congress party, they said, we are doing this because we want to send out a message that corruption will not be tolerated. Tab Sukhpal Singh Khera ke arrest ke baad, Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson said, wah ji wah. When Bikram Singh Majithia was arrested a couple of weeks back, Aam Aadmi Party's Kejriwal said, wah ji wah, we want to cleanse Punjab of the drug menace. When there was an FIR issued against Amrinder Singh Raja of the Congress party, the Kejriwal dispensation said, see, Bhagwant Singh Mann is doing a great job by filing FIRs left, right and center, arresting people like Bikram Singh Majithia, arresting people like Sukhvinder Singh Randhawa, who was the former deputy CM of Punjab. Matlab, aap karo to sab sahi hai. If you arrest Majithia, you arrest Sukhpal Singh Khera in Punjab, you arrest Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, you want people to applaud you. But when the BJP says that, Manish Sisodia is out on bail, Arvind Kejriwal is out on bail, Satyendra Jain is out on bail, the closure report has not happened. This is something Amit Shah has clarified. Amanatullah Khan of Aam Aadmi Party out on bail, Somnath Bharti out on bail, Naresh Balyan out on bail, Naresh Yadav out on bail, Sandeep Kumar of Aam Aadmi Party out on bail, Sharad Chauhan out on bail, Prakash Jadwal out on bail, Jitendra Singh Tomar out on bail, Akhilesh Tripathi out on bail, Dinesh Mohania out on bail, Vijay Singla out on bail, Bhaggu Wala out on bail, Manoj Kumar out on bail, Raman Swamy out on bail, Gulab Singh Yadav out on bail. पूरी की पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी in Delhi and Punjab, all their top leaders are out on bail. And with reference to Saurabh Bhardwaj, as Arnab Goswami rightly said, there are grave allegations under Section 17 of the Prevention of Corruption Act against both Bhardwaj and Satyendra Jain. A, deliberately delaying the project. Out of 6,800 beds, you barely completed 3,000 beds in the ICU hotel project. Misappropriation of funds, over invoicing of expenses, under invoicing of income, and most importantly, collusion with private contractors. Saurabh Bhardwaj, whether he was then the health minister or not, whether he was the urban development minister or not, whether he was the water minister or not, is not relevant. Did he collude with private contractors? Did he misappropriate funds?
What she's saying is, Sanju, you've crossed 3.5 minutes. I'm just coming in for a moment. Because, you know, the unfortunate thing in these conversations, I don't get half a word in. My point is, just to summarize what Sanju has said. See, now you're going to have to do some Atma Chintan. Your pattern is clear. You claim a BJP conspiracy behind everything. Sisodia arrest, BJP conspiracy. Liquor scam probe, BJP conspiracy. Sheesh Mahal controversy, BJP conspiracy. Unspent hospital funds, BJP conspiracy. Seat sharing troubles, BJP conspiracy. Even chili powder is BJP's conspiracy. However, Priyanka, as she has pointed out, when you go to the people and you say, kuch mila nahi ji, that's not true. That's not true. You have not got a clean chit. Kejriwal has not got a clean chit. Sanjay Singh has not got a clean chit. So maybe you are over-exaggerated things there, right? And at the end of the day, see, if you said health was my strongest...
I expect better from you, Arnab, because you know the PMLA laws very well and you know what the PMLA courts held in case of Arvind Kejriwal or Manish Sisodia or Sanjay Singh. So I am surprised at this comment coming from you. Also, let me also clarify this. See, the cause of action remains same. These 31 hospitals are in contention. आप डिफरेंट एजेंसी से डिफरेंट लोगों को डिफरेंट टाइम पे हाउंड करते रहोगे तो जिंदगी भर सारे केसेस चलते रहेंगे. आप नया केस बना दोगे क्लोजर.
But let's go to the moot point. You see, that's a subjective point you made. Let's go to the moot point.
किसी और पे हो जाएगा.
Let's go to the moot point. 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. ये छोड़ दीजिए. ये, you know, तो मैं वाली बात पे नहीं जाते हैं. There was a 1,125 crore ICU hospital project to create 6,800 ICUs. You'll agree with me. This is important to save the lives of people, right? Why was it not completed? Where are the remaining funds? Why was there heavy spend?
Why are you taking their allegations at face value?
No, 1 minute. Okay. Now, if you say, Arnab, don't take allegations at
why are you saying
okay. Now 1 point. Now 1 point. You are saying don't take their allegations at face value. However, if I go through the spending, I went through the spending pattern for healthcare projects lapsed, unutilized and returned. See, Priyanka, you showed a lot of urgency, you as in the Delhi government, in clearing all these liquor licenses. Okay? But if I look at the period 2016 to 17, from then to 2022, you know the area which was worst affected because of your governance, you didn't even bother to spend the money. You were interested in earning the money through the liquor licenses. But you will be shocked to know, Priyanka.
So we didn't spend,
you will be shocked to know.
Let me.
No, I'll tell you. Where, see, if you have the money...
We pocketed the money or we didn't spend it? What is it?
Understand it very well. See, there is a question of intent. 1 minute, let me. No, I need to. There is a question of intent. If you want to serve the people, No, 1 minute. On some projects. 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Let me explain it to Priyanka. Sanju, why are you doing this? Why? It's all going swimmingly well till now. And you've decided that Arnab should not successfully maneuver this program in the right direction.
It cannot be a one-way narrative. This cannot be a one-way narrative by Priyanka Thakkar, who's deflecting your questions, and she had the audacity to talk about Modi ji ki degree. Sharam karo. Modi ji was hounded for 20 years.
ये देखो, now you're gone off track.
आप बताओगे क्या पहनना है, किस टाइम घर आना है, क्या करना है, और आप डिग्री नहीं दिखाओगे,
अमित शाह
पकड़े जाओगे, 7 साल की सजा हो जाएगी, नकली दिख गई तो कोर्ट में क्यों नहीं दिखाते डिग्री? बताओ कोर्ट में क्यों नहीं दिखाते डिग्री?
इनोसेंट मैडम,
इतने प्राउड हो अपनी डिग्री के तो
अरे मैडम
कहा क्यों रहे हो कोर्ट से?
आपके केजरीवाल
I am not like you or you. I am not from BJP. Nothing about me is fake, madam.
There was a 3,000 crore loss to the
Modi
Delhi
ji
exchequer
has a
thanks
fake
to the
degree.
liquor scam.
That is why he is not showing it in court. क्योंकि दिखाते ही 7 साल की सजा हो जाएगी और उनको पद छोड़ना पड़ेगा.
Your Kejriwal vanished.
पता है ना आपको इलेक्शन एफिडेविट में झूठ बोलने की सजा, फॉर्जरी की सजा. अगर नहीं पढ़े तो घर से बोलने नहीं पढ़े. किसी पढ़ाई का मोहताज नहीं होता. But you lied. Your entire existence is a lie.
Mohalla clinics are a sham.
BJP's existence is a lie.
No, okay, can you thank you, Sanju and Priyanka. Now let me come in forcefully. Can I tell you, ladies, just give me a moment here. Priyanka, may I? Sanju, please, let's not get into the aapke nikal dungi.
All your Mohalla clinic model is a sham.
Now, please.
How many roads did you build?
Now, please.
How many bridges?
Now,
did you
please.
build?
Dumb arguments. Arnab ji, I need somebody who knows better knowledge of laws, who knows how to
did not build a single
who has
bridge.
better arguments.
You did not build a single
ये क्या रिफ्राफ बुला लेते हो आप हर बार?
You did not build a
Don't
single
call her riffraff and all
hospital.
that,
You are lying. You did not build a single hospital.
Well, she's making personal comments. How long do you want me to stay quiet? She's
Sanju,
telling me she'll be violent
Sanju,
towards
can I now?
me.
You see, this is where it starts going down. The quality of the debate was going up. Suddenly it came down. And Sanju, can I request you to pull back because I have a very important point to make. Thank you very much.
Because she spoke.
Thank you. Let me come in. Now, Priyanka, my question to you is this, and the very important point.
Delhi has a revenue deficit today thanks to you.
Sanju, you don't have to give all your points
Do you
in
know
one
the
shot.
meaning of these words that you're using?
Okay, now my question to Priyanka is this. Viewers, you see, Arvind Kejriwal kept saying that I am going to do this for the people and that for the people. Now, when I go through the data, I find that in the critical election year of 2024-25, you ran out of money. Listen to me. Let me complete the whole thing now. Don't disturb me, anyone, please. I'll just take 30 seconds. You kept saying that we are going to do this for the people, that for the people. In the first 3-4 years, you overspent in some areas, okay? Then you underspent for the first 4 years, which is why during COVID there was a terrible situation because people were gasping for oxygen and beds. You had not done the work. There was 56% underutilization of funds, which means the money was being used somewhere else. Thank you, Sanju. Now, most important point here is that you needed thousands of crores to complete your promises. But in 24-25, the allocation for capital works was just 370 crore. Which means at the end of his term, Kejriwal and Atishi Marlena put their hands up and says, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. ना पैसे हैं, ना अस्पताल बनेंगे, ना ICU बनेंगे. Now, if you go through this, my question is, you can't blame the LG for that.
Arnab, can I please?
Why did you allocate only 370 crores when you had 24 pending projects, when you knew that you needed more money, but the money was spent somewhere else, which means you were not spending money to fulfill your own promises.
No, let me.
These are checked numbers.
Okay, too many allegations coming at me. Let me speak.
You need 10,000 crores. You allocate 370 crores. How fair is that?
Arnab ji, you'll have to let me speak.
Hospitals built
On the
by the
first
Aam Aadmi
day
Party,
when
name 10
BJP government
hospitals.
came,
You said
oh
you guys built 31 hospitals. Can you name 10
Madam,
hospitals?
Sanju, please let her answer my question.
Please.
Let her answer my question, yeah? Please, yeah? Thank you, Sanju. Please. Be so kind. Mercy, man, mercy. Thank you.
You're giving her a free pass. Name 10 hospitals built by Kejriwal.
Arnab ji, I am saying you will recall the first.
10 hospitals.
हाँ मैं बता देती हूँ, मैं इतना निकाल लेती हूँ. लेट मी आंसर अर्नब्स क्वेश्चन और मैं आपको पूरे आंसर दे के जाऊंगी.
मोहल्ला क्लिनिक.
अरे नो नो
Sanju, please. Sanju, please.
डालिए
No,
बुराड़ी.
what about a minute?
Right,
Back to
बुराड़ी.
3 windows. Now, calm down, please.
For
Calm down,
example.
both of you.
इतने आप वो गूगल
50
करो,
minutes.
मैं आप बता रही हूँ. हाँ. All I'm saying is Arnab ji, that the one, let me factually correct you, from what BJP is alleging, they are claiming one incomplete hospital of 2016 and then they are claiming irregularities in the other. This is BJP's allegation, one that. Secondly, you will recall LG's. Arey, your challenge accepted. Wait, let me answer first. A challenge accepted. Keep quiet. Wait for your turn, madam. थोड़ी सभ्यता सीखिए.
वैक्सीन स्कैम.
थोड़ी. Then Arnab ji, on the first day when LG gave his inaugural address, he said that the Delhi government is in surplus और पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है. This is LG, BJP का LG praising our budget.
Do you remember that? And you're giving
I don't know how to put my points across on your debate. It's very tough, Arnab
Mr.
ji.
Modi, a coward and a psycho.
That is why I sometimes avoid it.
Okay, now, Priyanka, please. Priyanka,
शर्म करो.
Priyanka, see.
Delhi
Raids are not
who's
raids.
responsible? Delhi revenue deficit. Who's responsible? Mohalla clinic.
Why she's so ill-informed and then she screams such poor arguments and then she screams over you. And you know, every time I come on your debate, you say, Priyanka, you will not scream over her. I never do. But you let her continue.
No, I am not responsible for anything. My job.
Google में डालो बुराड़ी, मैं अभी दे देती हूँ. इनको 10 हॉस्पिटल देती हूँ. उनका बड़ा बेसिक रहेगा. ये एलिगेशन भी नहीं है, बट मैं दे देती हूँ. बीजेपी ने भी ये एलिगेशन नहीं लगाया, बट मैं दे देती हूँ. मैडम रुकिए.
I challenge you. गूगल करना पड़ रहा है. गूगल करना पड़ रहा है.
Priyanka.
अच्छा.
अरे नहीं, I'm taking out the names. I have the list.
गूगल करना पड़ रहा है. गूगल करना.
Why are you so dumb, yo? Now listen, I'm telling you. नहीं.
Sanju.
A single hospital.
मेरे पास लिस्ट. देखिए. वालापुरी हॉस्पिटल, मादेपुर हॉस्पिटल, सिरसपुर हॉस्पिटल.
Not built by you. Not built by you. These are all pre-existing. These are pre-existing hospitals.
No, built by us, madam.
Priyanka.
रघुबीर नगर हॉस्पिटल, विकासपुरी हॉस्पिटल, किराड़ी हॉस्पिटल 2020 में बना है. मैडम चेक कर लो यार.
Not built by you. Not built by you, मैडम. झूठी कहीं की. Not built by you.
मैडम चेक.
जीभ लड़खड़ाती है या नहीं?
What is this language? इतनी बकवास डिबेट करते हो यार. Arnab ji, I don't want to be here. I want to. She's so lame.
Not built by you.
So lame, so ill-informed.
This woman, you have
You're
been
wrong.
exposed. You could not even name 10 hospitals.
Okay, viewers. Now you know. I thought the BJP fight would end with the Delhi elections, but my instinct told me today it moved to the next chapter. And Sanju Verma and Priyanka, I thank you very much for that very calm and tame and tepid conversation we just had. Thank you, Priyanka and Sanju.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार. MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला.